Hi guys, even today big players were selling continuously despite of BJP winning elections in Delhi. Many of the people were expecting there is going to be a gap up, but if you look at why this selling is happening, mainly we can point it out to the rupee depreciation. Indian rupee is above 87.47. So for these FII people, this rupee depreciation causes them to lose more money. Their returns will be decreased because of this. So what they do, they pull out the money from Indian markets and they keep where they get more amount of money. So that is what is happening here. Under this context, let's understand how both Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures are reacting and how you should be trading in the next coming days. So coming to Nifty guys, in last couple of my videos I was speaking about look for shorting opportunities in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. It is no way to go any kind of longs. The reason I was giving you is there are plenty of price magnets on lower levels. One is this week low, there is a mechanical reference here, and there is a B profile indicating big guys are unwinding their longs. So whenever you see this kind of B profile, you will see follow-up selling coming in the next few days. Let's understand what happened in Nifty today. So if you look at the opening itself is outside the value area of Friday, indicating initiative sellers are there first thing, and the first 30 minutes itself is open test drive. So opened, tested the Friday's close, and then immediately closed outside the value area. And if you look at the prices got accepted inside the value area of last Monday, and once there is a acceptance as a market profile trader, you know the prices will try to extend towards the other side of the POC and value area low. So the POC itself has been touched at 23,390 levels, and then prices got rejected. And why the prices got rejected? Again, there are multiple reasons. If you look at the first 1 hour, IB itself is too high, almost 193 points, indicating there is a emotional selling. So whatever the move that was supposed to happen whole day in Nifty, that has happened in the first 1 hour itself. So what happens rest of the day? If the sellers have sold everything, the prices goes into a sideways market. And even as the prices is touching the POC in 115 candle and somewhere at 1145, there is not much of strong selling. If you look at 115 candle, if you look at on left side, good amount of selling was there, but right side, if you look at there is not much of passive selling, indicating sellers are not very serious about it. So the prices went upside, and it itself, I think it is just nothing more than an inventory adjustment for intraday market makers. And for tomorrow, what you should be looking, even if you look at today itself, it's a B profile indicating long unwinding is there. So try to trade along with these people. There is a good possibility guys, Nifty will come down to 23,350 levels, but at the same time, let me also warn you, just be watchful for 23,600 to 620 levels. Till this prices stands, it is going to be a shorting opportunity towards 23,350 levels, and you will see 23,300 levels, and even good possibility in a couple of days 23,100 to 23,050 levels. Let's say in a high improbable scenario, if at all Nifty sustains about 23,620 futures, then you may see this value area high. This is less likely scenario. So this is with Nifty guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, as I was saying from last couple of days, there are plenty of price magnets on lower levels. All these references, they need to get revisited. I was also speaking on Friday's video, especially the prices itself got accepted inside last Tuesday's value area. So ideally, as per 80% rule, whole value area has to get covered, and there was a rejection around POC levels, which is also the value area high from before Saturday. There was a late up move in the last 1.5 hour. This up move itself is to trap the late shorts. Whoever have shorted, they think that the prices will go upside and they will exit. Whatever exiting positions, that becomes the liquidity for the big guys. So what happened today? Bank Nifty futures has opened outside the value area. It formed a open test drive like in Nifty, and the whole value area got covered. And around the value area low there is a failed auction, and whenever you see a failed auction in market profile, prices retraces at least half of the range. So that is what happened. This up move after this failed auction is because of multiple reasons. In market profile there is something called halfback references. So these halfback references, they indicate some algo is loading around the midpoint of the candles, so they act as price magnets in intraday. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking till this 50,290 to 50,320 levels stands on 30 minutes, you can expect again prices coming downside. So if at all prices gets accepted above 50,320 levels on any 30 minutes, guys, you can expect 50,420 levels as first target. Second target will be 50,600 levels. So downside targets again for shorting opportunities, look for acceptance below 50,145 levels. For first target at 50,060 levels, second target 49,960 levels, third target will be 49,700 levels, and you might even see 49,400 levels in a couple of days, if not tomorrow itself. So for this to happen, a slight negativity among global markets has to be there. This is with Bank Nifty futures, guys. If you're keen on learning order flow and market profile, just click on the playlist which I'm attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.